Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS app. In this tutorial, we show you how to manage tables. In the overview for your tables, long press the table you want to manage. A pop-up window will appear with the options for the selected table. By tapping on Orders, you can view the current orders for the table. Tap on New Order to open a new order for the table. Note, you can have several separate orders for the same table/facilities. By tapping on Payment, you will proceed with the checkout. Tap on Move Order to move the whole order to another table. To merge this order with another order, tap on Merge Orders. To reprint a receipt for an order that already paid, tap on Reprint Order. To reset the status that the table has been served, tap on Table Serviced. If multiple courses are added to the table, tap on Next Course to continue with the next course. If you're looking for a specific order of the current table, use the search function and tap on Search Orders. That's it! You completed the tutorial and now know how to manage tables.